Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Mohammad Riazul Islam Rifat. I am currently studying in Northwestern University and this is our project. It is about a compiler design. We have designed a lexical analyzer. I have two groupmates who helped me in this project. They are Mohua Roy and Sam Mullik. Um, so let's talk about this project. We have created this project in Python and we have used Tinker library. First, let's talk about the interface. We have two blocks here. One is interior code and tokenize, and the three buttons. They are analyze, clear, and show symbol table. In interior code, we give the source code. The source code is used uh, in C language, and when we give the source code and when we analyze it in the tokenized block, we can see every tokens that we have used in our code. Let's see an example, and this is the code in C language. When we click analyze, everything is shown here, such as hash is a special character, include is a keyword, integer is a keyword, main is a function which is a built-in function in C language, brackets are a special character, integer is a keyword, here is identifier, semicolon is a special character. Here we can see then printf is a function. It is a built-in function in C language and everything is here. Percent is an operator, 4 is a numeral number, and here is everything the code has, which is in token. And here we can see the token name, keyword, which keyword it is, and the line number, which line number carries the keyword and token. It is given all here. And we have a symbol table. In symbol table we can see identifier, data type, and value. We didn't give any type of numeral number, so there is no data type and value available here. And we have the clear button. When we are done with our analyzing, we just can use clear button and everything will be clear. Thank you.